Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I want to take you through my new stock. I'm still buying other animals on the farm, so I am trying my level best to make sure that I get good breeds, I get good and healthy animals. So on the other 3 animals I managed to add other 7. So I added other 7 animals on the farm. I'm still buying. I was advised not to buy young goats, so I had to go for those old ones, the big goats. So guys, thank you so much for subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing. Thank you so much. Bye.